Okay, so the tagline for this thing is cross your city with an A20. Now, I've had it a few weeks and it still remains a lot of fun, but I've yet to do that because Canterbury's tiny. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to London. Okay, it's pretty cool actually. So another chap brought a bike and you can see it's in the hallway. In the way, he's having to stand over it. This thing folds up and goes in the luggage rack, which is kind of cool. I mean, it's not much bigger than this massive suitcase underneath it. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so we're here. Now Paddington's in the north of London and we want to get down to the West End. So let's go down to the West End. So I discovered this in Canterbury. If you fold this bike up, the restaurants don't mind you going in with the bike. And we're at Trafalgar Square, which is just down there to my left. And here is St Martin's in the Field, and this is one of my favourite places to go for lunch when I'm in London. It's the St Martin's in the Field crypt. So let's fold up the bike and go and get something to eat. So this is genuinely the crypt of St Martin's in the Field. They cleaned this out, turned it into a cafe and have been running it ever since. It's been here for years. It really is my favourite place. The reason I like it actually is because there's the bike. Now it's an e-bike. E-bikes are expensive. You worry about shading these things up outside, especially in the city. So being able to do that with it, I just think it's awesome. I mean, it's no larger than a large suitcase, as I said before. Anyway, let's have some lunch. So London is awesome. Like here at Piccadilly Circus, the problem is all of the sites are about a mile apart. So you either take the tube or walk your legs off. But this thing has really made it a breeze. Okay, and so we're back. Now that was a lot of fun. Hey, that folding it up and putting it in the luggage rack really made it easy to cart about. The fact that we could put it in the restaurants, we didn't have to worry about it, was fantastic. Now the battery, it lasted really well. Still got about half a charge despite running around in it all day, so that is fairly awesome. But the real thing was, when you go to London, you've got a choice. You can walk your legs off and come back absolutely tired, or you can take the tube. The problem with that is you kind of just pop up in one place and you get no sense of London. Going around London on an e-bike gives you a real feeling for the city. You can zip between places, you can visit sites, and you really get a sense that you're actually in the city. So crossing the town on this was, to be honest, a lot of fun. Anyway, I thought I'd keep you up to date. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.